Are you terrified of speaking in English and speaking in public? Let me tell you something, you are not alone. Salam alaikum and greetings from Oman. Today I would like to share with you few tips that could help you with your journey on English and public speaking as well. So let's define fear. What is fear? Fear is an emotion, like any other emotion. We just gave it so much power. Fear, it's an emotion like being happy, being hungry, being sad. And fear of public speaking, people are not afraid of speaking, We speak, but we are afraid of being judged. So most important, when we say that we are afraid of speaking in English, the reason behind it is we are afraid of people who will judge us, what people will say about us. And that is the reason of us not want to speak. So this is a message to all the international students from the GS Smart Academy, and I'm really honored to be with you here today. I would like to share with you 2 or 3 secrets that would help you. So now we know that fear is an emotion. The second thing I want to ask you to do is, when you get terrified, when you are afraid of something, ask yourself why. Why are you afraid? What is the reason behind it? Because when you understand the reason, you can overcome that. I'll give you an example. My biggest fear was being on stage, public speaking. Every time I was given the opportunity to speak, and I was like, no, I cannot speak on stage. What will people think of me? What will people laugh at me? So the reason behind it is people will judge me. Why they will judge me is because English was not my first language. Actually, I was born and brought up in Africa, and then I came back to my home country, Oman, at the age of 17. I was adult and I could not speak English. I remember when I first went to school, the teacher asked me something in Arabic, so I could not speak English and Arabic as well. When the teacher asked me to speak, I don't understand. I just stood up, and what I remember is all the children were laughing at me because I did not answer. But actually, I did not understand what she was asking me. That moment crushed my self-confidence. That moment created fear of public speaking. I wanted to be a better person. I wanted to grow. So what I did is I started learning. I started learning English. I started learning Arabic. I wanted to understand and be a better person. After few years of my journey, I learned English. And English is so powerful. It's an international language all over the world. Overcoming that fear helped me become today the person who I am. So my biggest fear of public speaking was being judged, because I was bullied, you can say, in school when I couldn't speak the language. So I want to tell you, don't be afraid of being judged or being criticized by others. It's a journey. You need to keep learning, you need to keep develop yourself. So ask yourself why you are afraid of public speaking. The second thing is the what if technique. So before you do something, you will feel that fear. Ask yourself, we always say, what if I fail? Now you change that to what if I pass? What if I forget my words? You say, what if I succeed? What if I present very nicely? So you change the what if people laugh at me. You change to what if they applaud of my presentation. You change the what if from negative to positive. It will create that belief system in you. And this is very important. And the third thing is, the moment you feel that fear rising, you can change a very small technique that is called excitement. So we know that, I want you to know that what you tell to yourself, you become.